Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the sticker text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word sticker, and I'm also going to change the font. You don't have to, but I would if I were you. I'm also going to change the font color. I'm going to then add in a stroke here, change it to this white color. You can also adjust the thickness of it. I suggest you using it like this, and if you want to add in stickers you can, but I would suggest like selecting the round ones so that you can like add in a mask, or maybe like even the heart-shaped one, but even that isn't super accurate. So I suggest you just using the circle shaped ones so that later on you can add in the white background on it as well, so it looks like it's like on the text. Trying to like find one that I can use. Okay, maybe that one, but it has like a white background that I'm not a big fan of. Okay, maybe like this one, and I'm just going to like put it here. Then I'm going to go to media, I'm going to go to library, I'm going to add in a white stock video above the sticker text, and then I'm going to go to mask, and I'm going to select the circle shaped mask. Oh, actually I have to do it behind the sticker text like so, and just like see if you want to place it somewhere else, maybe like down there. I think I'm just gonna stick with that. It's fine. It's gonna look a little bit weird, but it's okay. And then once you're done, you're going to go to textures and effects, and you're going to add in like as many of like these folds and like plastics and stuff like that onto the sticker. Select everything, right click, then you're going to select create compound clip, and that's it. You can go and put it in your main track and add in like a background, maybe in style, maybe like the paper background. It's up to you. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!